Hi everybody, this is Jana here. So 2 weeks ago I have taught you guys how to make vegan fish using 4 ingredients, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a chicken patty using 1 ingredient. Let's go. And the ingredient we're going to use for this recipe is, are you ready? Tofu. I know, calm down, take it easy, take a breather. It's the best for this recipe because we're gonna go through a few steps, super simple, and we're going to transform this amazing ingredient into chicken. And but first, let me remind you to subscribe and share this video and hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video. And the step number 1, you take the tofu. It has to be an extra firm or firm tofu, and you cut it in half so it doesn't get too thick. And then with the help of a mold or any round object you have in your kitchen, you cut into circles. But wait, don't throw away those remaining tofus because there is plenty of things to make with it. I'm going to link down below a recipe for mayonnaise. That's the one I usually make, so don't throw it away. Now we're going to put it in a rack, but we're going to place some paper towels between the tofu and the kitchen rack, because all the water in the tofu is going to be drained. And then we're going to add some weight and leave it there for 30 minutes. It can't be too heavy, otherwise it will squeeze the tofu. Now we're going to freeze it. We're going to add it to a Ziploc bag, those 2 patties, and then we're going to add the parchment paper in between them so they don't get stuck once they freeze. And we're going to leave it in the freezer for at least 4 hours. Better overnight, or you can leave it in your fridge, in your freezer, and then remove it once you are going to use it, like we're going to do it today. So step number 2, we're going to remove them from the freezer, and we're going to wrap them with a lot of paper towel, at least 5 sheets, because we're going to put it in the microwave, okay? And we're going to make it thaw out. And but this water cannot be in touch with the tofu, so the paper towel will absorb all of the water. So 3 minutes in the microwave. All right, 3 minutes have passed, and here I have my patty and my patties. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to season it, and it's super simple, okay? We're going to season it with your favorite spice blend. It can be barbecue rub, it can be poultry seasoning, it can be whatever you like. This poultry seasoning here I made myself, and I'm gonna link down below the recipe. It's super easy, like only a mix of spices, but this proves to be the best for this recipe. Try to cover all the surface, and then the other side, and some salt. All right, step 3, we're going to put it in a skillet, and we're going to brown the surface because we're going to lock all those moist inside, and we're going to lock all those flavors inside, and it's going to be freaking awesome. Let's go. So in your skillet, you add a little bit of vegetable oil. Do not add olive oil, okay? Because it's going to be too hot, and the olive oil is going to burn the spices. And hey, hi Pokey. That was Pokey. Say hi, baby. He was here all the time. I didn't see it. Now we are going to brown it. Fourth and last step, we're going to add all-purpose flour. It can also be rice flour. And now, critical part, very important, you cannot skip this. We need to season both flours. One flour is going to be a wet mixture. We're going to mix with sparkling water to make it extra crispy. And the other one, we're just going to season it anyway. And we are adding garlic powder to both and onion powder. Salt. Again, the poultry seasoning. This poultry seasoning here that I made, it's also adds this beautiful golden color to the batter, and it tastes so nice. It's a little bit smoked. A little bit of baking soda so it gets extra crispy, and a little bit of lemon or lime. Now we add the sparkling water.
Honey, say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had enough of you now. Baby, say goodbye to this baby, 'cause I've had enough of you now. So long, farewell, farewell, I'll be heading out on my own. This is the end of what we had, but don't worry, baby, I don't feel bad. Honey, say goodbye to this honey, 'cause I've had.
And now we're going to fry it. All right, my lovely people, here we have our patty ready. And what we're gonna make today, what is that? Can you imagine, can you believe? One of the oldest sandwiches ever, McChicken, McChicken less or something like that. I've had that only once in my life, and I don't remember the taste so much, but today we're going to recreate it, and I'm very excited to show you guys because it's super simple. We are going to just now add some mayonnaise to this burger bun. This vegan mayonnaise I made myself. There's a link to that over here. And then we add our patty. And then we add some romaine lettuce. Hey, Pokey, you there again? And we close it. Voila! How amazing is that? Please make it. And now, of course, I'm going to try it because I am salivating here, as well as Pokey, because it's their feeding time. That's why they're around. I see two of them on the terrace here. That's okay, sorry. Mommy's time now. I love it. Oh, my dear Lord. This never ceases to amaze me. Every time. Especially when I serve this to people who are skeptic about tofu. They're like, what is that? What is that? They will never guess that this is tofu because we have made tofu taste amazing. And this is it for today, guys. Don't forget to share this video if you like it. Subscribe again to the channel, it helps me to grow a lot. Check out my merch. Look what I have here. It's my own mug. There are lots of different models there and with a lot of cute sayings. And 10% of the your shopping is going to be donated to my local animal shelter. So by the way, buy it. Buy as many as you can. And check out my social media is gonna also be linked down below, as well as the recipe and on my website. And I'll see you next time. Have a great week. Bye bye. Oh, and don't forget to check on my Patreon. And for you, my patrons, I love you.